Dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu Shivast is experiencing a massive 1,275% surge in large holder net flows by barely midweek. The large holders net flow indicator from Into the Block provides an idea of the change in positions of whales, or large holders, by measuring the volume of inflows minus outflows for these addresses. Spikes in net flow can be seen as accumulation from large players, or whales, while decreases indicate reduced positions or selling. In the instance of Shiba Inu, a 1,275% increase in large holders net flow might suggest accumulation by whales, as this is being accompanied by a surge in inflows. Per Into the Block data, Shiba Inu is depicting a 677% rise in large holder inflows for the week, which might reflect strong buying activity. Here's likely explanation. Shiba Inu experienced a significant rise, reaching highs of $0.00000966 over the weekend. Shiba Inu began to recover after hitting lows of $0.00000792 on November 9th, prompting the bulls to push for the $0.000009 barrier. The price surge was temporarily halted as bulls reached the $0.00000966 barrier. Soon after, Shiba Inu faced profit-taking, with the price finishing in losses for 3 consecutive days, bringing the SHIB price down to the daily MA200 level at $0.000008, around where bulls got traction on November 10th. The spike in net flows might be due to whales accumulating SHIB as its price fell in hopes of acquiring it at a discount. Whales are often known to accumulate during periods of dips, and the spike in large holder inflows might suggest SHIB whales buying as the price fell and approached key support, from which it rebounded. Although making a recovery, the SHIB price remains in red and, at the time of writing, was down 1% in the last 24 hours to $0.000084. Shiba Inu Shivast Ecosystem's upstart blockchain Shibarium will be used by the Manny Pacquiao Foundation for fundraising and operational activities starting Wednesday, developers told CoinDesk in a release. The Manny Pacquiao Foundation is a California 501(c)(3) nonprofit led by its namesake, 8th Division World Boxing Champion and former Philippine Senator Emmanuel Manny Pacquiao. MPF has been accepting SHIB on its website since 2021. The Pacquiao Foundation is dedicated to fighting for those in need around the world and has already done so for more than 1 million people requiring urgent assistance, said John Sisson, executive director of the Manny Pacquiao Foundation, in a statement to CoinDesk. Shibarium will allow us to continue this good work while scaling up operations to help millions more. Shibarium is a Layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum that allows users to cheaply transact on the network. Layer 2s are off-chain applications built on top of a base blockchain. These applications are typically faster with reduced bottlenecks. Shibarium suffered a botched launch in August but has since recovered and processed thousands of transactions each day, data shows. The Shiba Inu ecosystem has been vying to become a serious decentralized finance, DeFi, contender. Its popular SHIB token, themed after the Shiba Inu dog breed and inspired by Dogecoin Dogist, was issued in August 2020. It quickly became one of the largest meme coins by market capitalization. XRP price started a downside correction from the $0.750 zone. The price retested the $0.600 support zone and might soon attempt a fresh rally. XRP started a downside correction from the $0.750 resistance zone. The price is now trading below $0.650 and the 100 simple moving average, 4 hours. There is a major bearish trend line forming with resistance near $0.6550 on the 4-hour chart of the XRP/USD pair, data source from Kraken. The pair might correct further lower, but the bulls could remain active near $0.600. XRP price dips below $0.650. After rallying above the $0.720 resistance, XRP faced resistance. The price struggled to clear the $0.750 barrier and recently started a downside correction, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The price declined below the $0.720 and $0.700 support levels. The bears even pushed it below the $0.650 pivot level. However, the bulls were active near the $0.600 zone. A low is formed near $0.5938 and the price is now attempting a fresh increase. XRP is now trading below $0.650 and the 100 simple moving average, 4 hours. There is also a major bearish trend line forming with resistance near $0.6550 on the 4-hour chart of the XRP/USD pair. On the upside, immediate resistance is near the $0.630 level or the 23.6% fib retracement level of the recent decline from the $0.7499 swing high to the $0.5938 low. The first major resistance is near the $0.640 zone or the trend line. A close above the trend line could send the price toward the $0.672 resistance. It is near the 50% fib retracement level of the recent decline from the $0.7499 swing high to the $0.5938 low. If the bulls remain in action above the $0.672 resistance level, there could be a rally toward the $0.750 resistance. Any more gains might send XRP toward the $0.788 resistance. Are dips limited? If XRP fails to clear the $0.640 resistance zone, it could continue to move down. Initial support on the downside is near the $0.620 zone. The next major support is at $0.600. If there is a downside break and a close below the $0.600 level, XRP price might accelerate lower. In the stated case, the price could retest the $0.540 support zone. Technical indicators. 4 hours MACD. The MACD for XRP/USD is now losing pace in the bullish zone. 4 hours RSI, Relative Strength Index. The RSI for XRP/USD is now below the 50 level. Major support levels, $0.620, $0.600, and $0.540. Major resistance levels, $0.630, $0.640, and $0.672. According to the data provided by major blockchain tracking platform Whale Alert, over the past 24 hours, anonymous wallet owners have transferred several tens of millions of XRP. Some of these XRP millions were purchased and withdrawn to a cold wallet, and some were sold. Additional data from an XRP explorer suggests that Ripple Labs crypto giant may be related to the sales transaction. In the meantime, the XRP price has increased more than 6% within the last 24 hours after a recent 12% crash caused by the fake news of BlackRock filing for an XRP exchange-traded fund. 20 million XRP moved from Bitvevo. Around 15 hours ago, an unidentified wallet made a withdrawal of 20 million XRP from Amsterdam-based crypto exchange Bitvevo, taking $13,044,810 worth of XRP into their cold wallet. Recently, Bitvevo exchange has been mentioned in Whale Alert's tweets quite often, mostly in relation to enormous transfers of SHIBA INU meme coin. Anonymous whales made around a dozen transfers of 3.4 trillion SHIBA INU each from Bitvevo to their cold wallets, and then some of them transferred those trillions of SHIB on. Some of those SHIB transfers were crypto supply redistributions made by Bitvevo internally. Each of these 3.4 trillion SHIB transactions was worth more than $34 million in fiat. 24.5 million XRP sent to Bitstamp from unknown wallet. The second transaction mentioned by Whale Alert is 24,500,000 XRP, equal to $15,312,871, sent from an anonymous wallet to the Bitstamp exchange, a major platform with its head office in Luxembourg and additional ones in Singapore, Slovenia, the UK, and the US. The sender address ending in H4RZN, according to the Bitstamp XRP Explorer, is related to Ripple Labs crypto decacorn. Over the past few months, Ripple has been making such transfers, sending a maximum of 30 million XRP on a regular basis not only to Bitstamp but also to Bitso, a crypto unicorn exchange based in Mexico. These two crypto trading platforms cooperate with Ripple on its XRP payments service, which used to be known as On-Demand Liquidity, ODL, and was recently rebranded as Ripple Payments. It runs on the RippleNet network and utilizes XRP for fast and low-cost international transfers without having to use prepaid accounts, as traditional banks do. The likely explanation is that Ripple has been sending millions of XRP to these two payment portals to support their operations.